These TV shows are getting hundreds of millions of views every month. And they can get you 39 cents for every click. And you can make thousands of dollars every month straight to your PayPal account. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use most popular, most watched TV shows for CPA marketing. I'm going to show you where you can find out which TV shows are currently most popular. I'm going to show you how you can monetize those TV shows. I'm going to show you where you can find TV shows that you can offer people to watch totally free. And also I'm going to show you how you can drive free traffic and potentially make 39 cents for every click and make lots of money straight to your PayPal account. So with that being said, let's start. Now, to find out which TV shows are currently most popular, what you can do is you can simply go on Google, and here in search bar you can type something like most watched TV shows and then press space, and here you can see all time on Netflix 2021, 2022 and so on and so on. So let's say I wish to see most watched TV shows on Netflix. Click here, and here you can see that many websites actually are making a list of most watched TV shows on Netflix, and they are updating those lists regularly. Here you can see CNET is one of the biggest websites, and they updated their list 7 days ago. So let's say I wish to check this list here. Here, when I scroll here, I can see most watched Netflix TV shows in this month. Here you can see Squid Game, 1,650,000,000 watch hours. Bridgerton season 2, 656 million, and so on and so on. And also what you can do is you can go on Rotten Tomato, and here you can choose Netflix, for example, and here you can see best rated Netflix TV shows currently, and you can find one of these TV shows and you can promote one of these TV shows. So let's say I wish to promote this TV show here, Bridgerton. When I go back on CNET, I will see that season 2 of Bridgerton is getting 656 million watch hours. So this is a good and very popular TV show that I can promote and make money with CPA marketing. And the next thing you need to do, you need to make a bridge website, because many of the websites, many companies, they do not allow affiliate links and they don't like CPA offers. And that is why you need to make a bridge website. And one of the best free options are Google Sites. Google Sites is absolutely free. If you have Gmail account, you have Google Sites. And you can choose one of the templates. So let's say, for example, I wish to choose this one here. Just click on it, and then you can edit that template according to your needs. And here I need to add a name to my website, so I can say something like, for example, watch best Netflix TV shows for free. And I can actually make this a bit wider, just like this. And I can also move it a bit here, for example, on the middle. And here I actually need to change this. Here I need to add the name of the show that I wish to promote, and that is Bridgerton. So I will paste Bridgerton here, and here you actually need to add a trailer. Now, to add a trailer, you can simply go on Google, on YouTube, and here you can type the name of the TV show and press enter, and first result is Bridgerton official trailer. And what I can do, I can simply right click here on this video and then copy link, and then go back on Google Sites and then click here on embed, and then paste the link of that video and give it a few seconds. This is the video. Click here, insert, and that's it. I inserted this video here, trailer, and I can simply move it here to make it center like this. I don't need this, so I will just delete this. Okay, I will delete entire field. Okay, like this. And now I actually need to delete all of this, so I can simply click here and I can delete this and this also and this. Okay, so now I need to add call to action. So what I can do, I can simply drag and drop this content block like this, and here I actually need to upload an image. Click here and I have prepared image, and you can find official posters on Google Images, and I can simply drag it like this, and here I need to add text. Now I already prepared text. Okay, click here to watch season 1, Control C, and I can simply paste it here. Okay, and I don't need this. So now I actually need to monetize this content. So I need to add my CPA affiliate link here, and when someone click on it to watch this show for free, they will actually need to finish some survey or submit their email, and I will make money. Now to do that, you can go on CPA Grip or CPA Lead, Max Bounty or some other CPA affiliate network. And what you need to do, you need to click here on Monetization Tools and then on URL and File Locker. And then click here, Create a New Locker. Scroll here, I agree to the terms of service. Click here, Continue. And here you can create a new content locker. Here you can see you need to add a header text. Now I already prepared that and I can say something like this, okay? Control C and I can replace it like this, okay? Please complete a survey below to watch season 1 for free, okay? Here you can see it says exactly the same thing. Begin download, they are not downloading anything. So I can say something like this, watch for free, okay? Control C. And then here you can see I will replace this and watch for free. And this is really, really important. Now I actually need to give them a link after they submit their email or after they finish the survey. I need to give them a link where they can actually watch this entire TV show for free. Now to find those TV shows that you can give people to watch for free, you can simply go on a website called f2movies.to. And what you can do is you can click here on TV shows and then here in the search bar I can simply type my main keyword and that is Bridgerton, and then click here and here I can find Bridgerton and here I can actually see all entire season 1 of this TV show, and all I have to do now is just copy the link of this entire page. So let me just highlight this, Control C, go back on CPA Grip in this case and add that link here where it says locked URL. Paste it here and then what you need to do, you need to click here on show offers in order to add offers. And I can choose here, for example, let me just choose United States, but you can choose any country that you want. And I personally like email submits because they are easiest to promote and people are actually most willing to submit their email in order to finish the survey or whatever. And you can make up to 36 cents in this case for every click, as you can see here. So I'll choose this one and this one here and this one here and this one here, for example. And then just scroll here, click here on hide offers and then click here on save, give it a few seconds, and this is my URL locker. So what I can do is I can click here on get links and this is the link. So I can click here on copy link, go back on Google Sites and then I can simply highlight this, click on this little chain and add my link here, okay? And then click here apply, and now when someone click on this link, click here to watch season 1, they will be redirected and they will need to either finish some survey or to submit their email, and I can make up to 36 cents for every click. Of course, you can add season 2, you can add different TV shows, you can add more TV shows here, and of course you will make this bridge website much better. I'm just making this for the purpose of this video, and after you finish everything, all you have to do is just click here in upper right corner on publish, and then you need to choose a name for your website. So let's just say free movies, okay? And it is not available. I'm just add 1, 2, 3 to see is it available. It's not available. I will add 4, 5. Okay, this is available. So click here on publish. Of course, you will choose a better domain for your website. And when I click here on preview, I will see how my website actually looks. So all I have to do now is just exit from this, okay? And to get a link to my website, I can click here on this little arrow, view published site, give it a second, and this is the link to my Google site. Okay, Control C, and here you can see how it looks. This is the trailer, this is the name of the website, and here you can see when I click here, I will be redirected to the CPA offer, and when someone finishes the CPA offer, they will be redirected to this page here where they can watch entire season 1 totally free. They don't have to pay anything. And like I said, this is easy because people like to watch these TV shows totally free. So now you need to start driving free traffic to your bridge page where you are promoting your CPA offers. And one of the best places where you can get targeted free traffic are actually forums. So you can go, for example, on AV forums. And here you need to join to this forum and you need to add a link to your signature, link to your bridge page. And because we are talking about Bridgerton, what I can do, I can simply click here on search and enter my main keyword and then click here on search, and I will get Bridgerton related discussions on this forum. And you need to join these discussions as much as you can, and you need to start promoting your bridge page that contains your CPA affiliate link. And you need to join to as many as you can of these related forums, and you need to join to discussion on those forums. Another great place to get a free traffic is Reddit. Reddit is getting more than 1.5 billion visits every month. So what you can do is you can simply come here on Reddit, and here in search bar you can simply type, for example, let's just say movies. Movies, okay? And here you can see movies, 27 million members. Now this is a big subreddit, and you can join discussions, you can share links, but you need to read the rules before you start sharing links. And the rules you can find here on the right side. As you can see, these are the rules. Read the rules and then start promoting your bridge website. And then you can go back and find more subreddits related to movies, to TV shows, to Netflix in this case. And you need to start promoting your bridge page to as many subreddits as you can. And you need to also do that on related forums, because you need to start driving as much free traffic as you can to your bridge page. And in that case, you will start getting people who will actually start submitting their email, who will start finishing these surveys, and you will be making 39 cents for every click on average, and you can start making money, and you will get payments from CPA Grip directly to your PayPal account. So this is how you do CPA marketing in 2022 as a beginner by using most popular, most watched TV shows. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.